In this video, we'll take a look at the interface of Tableau. When we first open Tableau, it will bring us to this page where we can make our data connection. Tableau supports a wide range of data sources. We are able to make connections to the files on our local computer, as well as data on the server. So let's go ahead and connect to an Excel file. This will then bring us to the data connection page. Here is where we can access the tables in the data source. And after connecting to the data, we can start building our visualization. So in this worksheet, you will find a data pane on the left. Here is where we can see all our list of data here. And the filter shelves here is where we place the filters on the data. And the marks card here is where we can customize and add more details to the visualization. The column and row shelf here is where the data will be placed. So we can do this by dragging them or by double clicking. And at the bottom, there are three icons. The first icon is create a new worksheet. We can click on this to create a new sheet to build more visualization. The second icon here is to create a new dashboard. Here is where we put all our worksheets together to build our dashboard. And lastly, this is to create a story. So here is where we can select specific worksheets or specific view in the dashboard and put some caption to give some context to the visualization. For example, in this case, we can see that technology has the highest profits.